Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired March 26th, 2025. The topic of that episode was Gaining the Spiritual Sense of Truth. Swami, your thoughts?
To activate spiritual sense, life and matter must be given up for life and spirit. As Jesus said, born again of spirit, because like attracts like.
Looking for the true perspective? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam